How to sell NFT art as a beginner. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can sell your NFT art on OpenSea.io. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply come to OpenSea.io and you will land on this platform right here. OpenSea is world's largest and first NFT marketplace where we can actually buy, sell, and create our NFTs. It is one of the best platforms out there, and if you are looking to sell your NFT art, then you can definitely, check out OpenSea. So I will show you how you can actually sell your NFT as a beginner, as a complete beginner. You have no experience and you want to sell your first NFT. Well, let me tell you, the process is very easy to do and it is very easy to follow as well. So let's start creating our first NFT and selling our first NFT on OpenSea. So the first step is going to be connecting our wallet to OpenSea, our MetaMask or any other wallet that you are using. If you do not have a wallet, well, it's super easy to get one. You can go ahead and get a MetaMask wallet. Simply go to metamask.io and add it as your Google extension and you will have a MetaMask. Keep in mind, to connect your crypto wallet to your OpenSea, you do not need any funds to check out OpenSea and to create or to mint NFT on OpenSea. So it's fine if you are a beginner and if you do not have any Ethereum on your wallet, it's fine. You can simply go ahead and connect it with this option right here. So now my wallet has been connected to my OpenSea. So that was our first step. So now we can go ahead and start creating and minting our NFT on OpenSea. So you will see this option right here, create. Simply click on create and it will once again ask your permission to connect your wallet to your OpenSea, because we are going to be minting our NFT on that blockchain that we have in our wallet. So you simply sign in with your wallet and then we will be able to create our first NFT on OpenSea. So this is where we create our new item. This is where we will be adding all of the information. It's super fun and super easy to do. So what you have to do is you can simply add your NFT right here. We simply upload the NFT here. Your NFT can be an image, video, audio, or a 3D model. It can be a JPG, PNG, GIF, MP4, MP3, whatever file you want to upload. And plus the maximum size can be 100 MB. So what I will do is simply click right here and now I will upload my NFT that I created on OpenSea. So simply select the NFT from your computer and it will be uploaded right here. So this is my NFT that I created recently, and just a tip, I created this NFT for free with canva.com and you can also go ahead and do that and create your free NFTs, right? So this is the NFT that I am going to be uploading on OpenSea. So the next step is going to be naming whatever name you have for your NFT. Well, this is actually kind of like a horoscope NFT that I created for a Virgo. So I'm gonna go for a Virgo. Okay, so this is the name of my NFT. After that, we have to add an external link. This is the link that you add. For example, if I have a website or any external page about the information of this NFT, I can go ahead and add it right here. Don't worry if you do not have any external page, if you do not have external website, it's fine, leave it. I am also going to leave this option for now because I do not have any external link. After that, you have to add the description for your NFT. So I'm going to go ahead and add the description real quick for this NFT, like whatever description you want to add, the information about the collection, the information about the NFT, it will be added right here. So I have added this random description for now, but you will simply add the description you want to add. After that, collection. I have to select a collection where I am going to be minting my NFT. Now I simply have to add the collection. Collection simply means where we are going to be adding our NFT. Every NFT is added to a collection. So you will see all of your collections right here. I have 2 collections right now. I will be able to check them out right now here. So it's okay if you do not have any collection. So your collection will automatically be created with the NFT that you are going to be adding. But if you want to create a collection first, you can go ahead and go to this profile option and then go to my collection, and in my collection you can simply go ahead and create a new collection of your own. So for now I'm just going to go ahead and select this one. And don't worry if you do not have a collection. Again, it's okay, your new collection will be created with the NFT that you're going to add. Then we have properties that are the traits that are shown as rectangles. Then we have levels that are numerical traits, and then we have stats that are shown as numbers. So these are the different traits, and we know they actually determine the rarity of any NFT. So for properties, for this one, of course, I'm going to add few of the properties, and you will actually be able to check them out right here. So I have added all of these different properties for this NFT right here, and they will actually determine the rarity for my NFT. So these are going to be the properties. If you want to add the levels, simply click right here and you will be able to add the levels. You will be able to add the stats as well. For now, I am leaving these two options. Then we have unlockable content that allows you to add a content that is only read by the owner. In this section, we actually add information if you want to kind of like sell your NFT in real life. So you add your address or your email address. So any content that you want to reveal to the buyer, you can add right here, and it is kind of like locked. Then we have the explicit and sensitive content check. You can go ahead and check that as well. Then we have the supply, how many number of copies you are going to mint. For now on OpenSea we have one, and this is going to be the one copy of this NFT. Then we have the important option, which is the blockchain on which you are actually going to mint your NFT. It's going to be Ethereum. And then we have another option, which is Polygon, a gas-free experience, which is a fast and gas-free experience available on Ethereum. We know gas fee can be very much sometimes on Ethereum. It varies a lot. It's very heavy sometimes. So we can also go for Polygon on our OpenSea. So that is actually pretty amazing that we can mint our NFT with gas free. If you do not know what a gas fee is, in simple words, gas fee is like a tax that you have to pay in order to mint and buy NFTs. That's like the simplest explanation for the gas fee. So once you have selected the blockchain, then we have the freeze metadata. Freezing your metadata will allow you to permanently lock and store all the items content in the decentralized file storage. So it's fine, just leave this option B. After that, simply click on create and your NFT will be created on OpenSea. Your NFT will be minted. So my NFT has been created, you can see right here, and you can also check out my other NFTs from the collection. So this is the NFT that I added just now. This is the blockchain, the name of the NFT, the name of the collection, and this is my option. So now if I want to edit any information, I can go ahead and do that. If I want to put it up for sale, I can simply click on sell, and then I will be able to add more information such as the price for my NFT. So I can now go ahead and give it any price, for example 0.08, and it is going to be $200, and this is going to be 0.08, and this is the, I think, reasonable price for this NFT right here. But of course we know we can sell NFTs in thousands if we want to. So this is going to be the duration, and the service fee is 2.5% on OpenSea once your listing is completed. Simply click on complete listing and you will be able to sell your NFT, your first NFT, on OpenSea. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to sell NFT art on OpenSea. If you liked the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.